Your iPhone can remind you to return missed calls, find Wi-Fi passwords you forgot, and even lock apps behind Face ID. But Apple tucked these features away where they're easy to miss. Here are 5 hidden iPhone features you'll wish you knew sooner. Welcome back to the Fix Desk. Let's fix it. Have you ever had a missed phone call and thought, I'll call him back later, and then completely forgot about it? Well, your iPhone has a built-in way to remind you. Simply open the phone app, find the call you want a reminder about, and swipe over. Choose a reminder icon and select the time you'd like to be reminded. This is one of those small iPhone features that can save you from forgetting an important phone call. The next time someone asks for your Wi-Fi password, don't go and reset it because you forgot it. Your iPhone already remembers it for you. All you need to do is go to your settings, tap on Wi-Fi, and tap the eye icon next to your Wi-Fi network. Tap on your password and unlock it with Face ID or Touch ID, and your saved password appears. From here, you can copy it or share it instantly. Third, have you ever found a phone number in another app and kept switching back and forth trying to type it into your phone app? Well, there's a much easier way. You could just copy and paste the phone number from Messages, Safari, or wherever else on your iPhone. Open up your phone app, make sure you tap on keypad, tap in the open area above the keypad, and paste the number. It's that simple. The entire number appears instantly, so you don't have to memorize it or keep jumping between apps. The fourth is all about privacy. If you have certain apps you want to keep private, your iPhone can lock them behind Face or Touch ID. Find the app on your home screen, press and hold it, and select Require Face ID. It'll ask you to confirm it. Once it does, your app's now protected behind Face ID. And last, have you ever had trouble reaching all the keys on your iPhone when you're typing a message? Especially if you're using the Plus or Pro Max model, they can be hard to reach. Well, there's actually a one-handed keyboard built in. Simply look for the emoji or globe icon in the bottom corner and press and hold it. Then you can simply choose a left or right keyboard option, whichever way you're holding it. The keyboard will move closer to your thumb, making it much easier to type with one hand. And when you want the full keyboard back, just hit the emoji or globe at the bottom and select it. Those were 5 hidden iPhone features that Apple tucked away inside iOS. Let me know in the comments below how many of these you already knew. If the video helped, please like and subscribe to the Fix Desk for more simple solutions. Thanks for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next one.